Hey guys, this is Mark Mesa. Welcome back to Mortgage Mind. Here we are, tip and trick number 14, entitled Qualifying for a Home Loan as a Union Worker. Okay, so union workers, there's a lot of them all over the country. And did you know that if you are a member of a union and you get your jobs through the union, for example, if you're an electrician, you're a member of the contractors union, or if you're an actor, I'm here in Los Angeles, California area, so I do a lot of loans for actors or people in the entertainment business. A lot of those folks are members of SAG, which is the Screen Actors Guild. It's a union. So if you're a union member and you get most of your employment through a union like SAG or like the contractors union, and they divvy out the work to you, you're going to be working for different places at different times based on what you get for unions. So you might be an actor working at a movie for about 5 months, and then the movie's done, and then you're looking for work. Then the union gets you another job with another movie for another 2 months or whatever. And that's how it works. So if you're a union member, you can actually get a home loan. And when you need the home loan, if you're not actually working on any particular job at the time of the closing, it's okay. If you're a regular employee of a company, you have to be employed at the time you're going to close your loan. But if you're a union member, you don't have to be working any specific place when it's time to get your loan, because they know that the jobs come and go as the unions provide them to you. So they take a look at your 2-year history of earnings from all the jobs you worked at from the union that you got from the union, and they give that as your credit for qualifying income. So know that if you're a union member and you're not exactly working at the time you need your loan, it's okay. They should be able to give you a 2-year history of the income that you've been getting and give you credit for that. So hopefully that helps for all you union members out there that are not sure how that works. That's how it works. So stay tuned for our next tip and trick, and we'll see you on the other side.